Oh, hi again, welcome back. Let's create this film photography look in Photoshop for your images, where this image will be turned into a vintage kind of image, where the colors will resemble those in a photograph taken using a lomo camera. So drag any picture into Photoshop and then head over to Image, Adjustments, Curves. You want to make sure that the image doesn't look pale by bringing the highlight, and then you drag the point upwards, and then you drag this point downwards so that there's plenty of shadow. Afterwards, you head over to red channel. Upwards means that it's going to be red. Lower level, it's going to be cyan. The left indicates that it's the shadow level. The right one indicates the highlight level. So drag it downwards so that you have this plenty of cyan shadow, and then you want to have this red highlight just like this, and then you retain this cyan kind of shadow just like so, and then you head over to green. Upwards means it's green, downwards means it's magenta or a darker shade of pink. Drag it downwards so that you have this magenta shadow, and then if you drag it upwards, it will create this green highlights. And then you head over to blue. You want to make a blue shadow. You want to make the shadow blue. Drag it upwards, and then you want to make the highlight yellow. Drag it downwards, just like so. Alright, looking cool now. Slightly blue and slightly yellow so that it's balanced. And then you click on OK. Afterwards, you want to do tweaks with the brightness, just like so. Pretty much enough. Increase the contrast so that it's vibrant. Click on OK, and then afterwards you can head over to adjustments, levels. You adjust the level of the shadow, midtone, and the highlights. Alright, you increase it so that just like so, so that it doesn't look overexposed. Alright, now it's cool. Now you head over to filter, noise, and then add noise to add some noise. Just like so. Cool. And then you click on OK. Alright. We're done pretty much. A bit faded, but looks lustrous for a film photograph. So that's how you can achieve this film photograph look in Photoshop. Thanks for watching. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.